Before getting into the video, our channel just hit 97 subscribers and I'm really thankful for every single person who have subscribed to this channel. I couldn't have done it without you. It means a lot to me. And let's get back to the video. So the thing about good news and the bad news. Let's talk about the bad news. As you saw my last video, which I posted last week, talking about me hitting 3,000 for the first time in my life in a month. And when I uploaded the video, I had 3 clients. 2 of the clients dropped me. So it was a bit stressful and sad day because I didn't expect them to do it at the same time. One of them were like social media client and one of them was a YouTube client. Yes, so it was a bad news, but as I talked about these clients in the last video, it was a low budget client and they were asking me a lot, like they are paying me a little amount of money and they're asking me to produce a lot to them, and I didn't really like working with them. So it's a blessing in disguise. And talking about good news, I'm happy that this happened so that I can concentrate more on my own business, which is Go High Level. So instead of spreading myself so thin, because I was doing multiple different things at the same time. I was doing YouTube video editing, thumbnail design, graphic design, social media handling, web design, web developing, and coding and stuff. So I was spreading myself really thin. So I'm gonna have one client to pay me for my rent and the software I'm using right now. That's all I need. I don't wanna get lots of clients, which is totally different from each other's, and I don't want to stress myself too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one client and I'm going to work for them, and the rest of the time I'm going to spend all the time building my own Go High Level business to 10K instead of doing multiple things at the same time. And another good news is I'm going to start uploading video from the first step, because I'm gonna restart my Go High Level business, because I've been putting it off and I've been a bit lazy for a while. And along with that, I'm gonna upload every single video on every single aspects of Go High Level. If you're starting from the beginning and if you're looking into get into Go High Level and start earning money and like free, I'm gonna upload every single video from the beginning, from signing up and creating your own agency website, outreach, signing your first client, how you are gonna produce the service. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, because the series I'm gonna upload from next week, it's gonna be really helpful for you guys who are starting in Go High Level and started Go High Level and not seeing any results. Since I have a bit experience on client acquisition, providing a good service, which is the most important thing. It's not about getting clients, it's about making your client happy, and they have to be happy about spending their own money on you to provide your service. So it's gonna be really in-depth videos. And also I've been getting lots of message from Instagram from you guys to create a private group with like-minded people like us to share ideas and work together. I'm going to look into it and I'm going to let you know as soon as possible, because since I have a lot of spare time in my day, I'm going to build a lot of digital products like templates and CSS codes for Go High Level website, which is going to make your website stand out and look expensive, so you can charge your clients way more money than it used to be. Everything I've planned everything and I'm going to execute it. Most probably next week you'll get to know what the plan is. And thank you so much for sticking around. I didn't know that my YouTube channel is gonna blow up. I mean, it's not in that level. I didn't expect that I'm gonna get lots of views and subscribers in a short amount of time. So thank you so much for sticking around, and thank you so much for trusting in me to get advice from me. So I'm not gonna let you down, and I'm gonna see you next week with lots of content which is gonna help you to get the life you need. So see you next week and have a nice day.